Welcome to my channel, Better Food and Health Ideas. 6 reasons to eat regular meals. 1. Prevents hunger pains. Often, people think that skipping a meal here or there will help to cut down on overall calorie consumption. However, the hunger pains you'll experience when you skip meals can ultimately lead to overindulging at your next meal. 2. Boosts your metabolism. Your metabolism is the rate at which your body burns the calories you give it. Our bodies are programmed to sense a lack of food as starvation. When we skip meals, our calorie burn rate slows down, which means fewer calories burned over time. When you don't eat regular meals, your burn rate will often slow down, making it harder to lose weight. 3. Keeps you energized. A good way to think about food is to remember that it's your body's fuel. Like a car running on fumes, if your body is running on empty, it can't operate well. Not only can this affect your mood and daily performance, it can keep you from the tasks you need to do. 4. Encourages self-control. The hungrier we are, the harder it is to make good decisions. Think about going to the supermarket when you're ravenous. How likely are you to grab a piece of fruit or salad? Nearly anything is more tempting, such as those conveniently placed crisps packets and chocolate bars at checkout, is more tempting, such as those conveniently placed crisps packets and chocolate bars at checkout. 5. Helps you maintain a healthier diet. When you eat regularly, your body is fortified with energy. A study published in the Journal of Public Health Nutrition suggests that people who consume regular meals have better overall diets. The study showed that regular meals contributed to lower consumption of sugary drinks and fast foods and increased consumption of fruit and veg. 6. Creates a regular routine. As humans, we're creatures of habit. You may not be aware of the habits and routines you've picked up. Each decision you make contributes to your routine and impacts your health. By making regular meals a priority, you help your body establish a healthier lifestyle. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, share and like my video.